Okay, so some of you may know me as a very social person. I love talking to people. I love meeting people, especially neighbors out in the yard working, etc. I'll ask questions. I just like people interacting. So I'm a very outgoing person. There are some times I have introverted moments, actually quite a few times, especially when I'm outside working in the yard. Okay, I'm busy, I'm doing something. And perfect example, so when I go to get the mail, this is actually a pretty long driveway, and the mailboxes are crossing diagonally. So what I have to do, if I don't want to be seen and I'm getting the mail, I got to peek out the side garage door, right? So I come out here, I take a quick glance left, see that nobody's coming, it looks good, looks clear. Oh, no one down there and no one down there. I start slowly walking just to not make it obvious to anyone that sees me. And then it never fails. It never fails. I'll be out, there'll be nobody coming for about 10 to 15 minutes, right? So it's perfectly quiet. It's perfectly still. No one's out. I go to get the mail. What happens? What happens? So I get to the end of the street, or I'm sorry, the end of the driveway, and sure enough, a car comes zooming down the street when I didn't see them to begin with. So I don't want to be seen, and that's what happens. So what do you do in that instance? Well, if you're halfway down the driveway, probably about here, you can retreat without anyone seeing you. But if you're already committed, let's say you're at the end of the driveway or getting near the end of the driveway, it's too late. It's just too late. So you just gotta, quickly walk to the mailbox, do what you gotta do, and just act like it's no one's business. But even though it's killing me inside that they're seeing me and etc. Or when I'm outside working in the yard and the neighbor's garage opens, oh, gotta take off and retreat to the backyard. So I know this might be relevant to a little bit different style of video that I normally post, but it's just everyday relevancy, right? So especially now, gonna be outside in the yard working in the spring and summer. So I'm just trying to figure out how I can stay vigilant so that nobody can see me. Anyone else have these issues, or what do you guys do? Comment below. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks guys. Stay tuned for the next video.